Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Latest Updates. The topic for today's discussion is New Pamban Bridge inaugurated. Recently, Prime Minister Modi inaugurated the new Pamban Bridge in Tamil Nadu, the country's first vertical lift sea bridge, coinciding with Ram Navami. The bridge connects Rameshwaram Island with Mandapam on the mainland, spanning the Park Straits. Before moving further, an important announcement. The next offline batch of the IAS GS Foundation course, Prelims Plus Mains, is starting soon at Drishti IAS, Noida. The English medium batch will begin on 8th April at 6 pm and the Hindi medium batch admissions are now open. For more details, contact 87501 87501. New Pamban Bridge. The new Pamban Bridge, 2.07 kilometers long, is designed with a 72.5 meter vertical lift span that allows ships to pass beneath, lifting up to 17 meters. The bridge was built by Rail Vikas Nigam Limited or RVNL at a cost of over Rs 700 crore and can support 2 railway tracks, currently operating on a single line. The central span of the bridge rises vertically up to 22 meters to allow maritime traffic to pass. The vertical lift system is powered by an electromechanical mechanism, raising the span in just 5 minutes, reducing disruption to train services. The vertical lift design facilitates smoother navigation through the Park Strait, allowing uninterrupted maritime traffic while maintaining efficient train operations. The bridge is constructed using modern materials like stainless steel reinforcement and high-grade protective coatings to resist corrosion in the harsh marine environment. The new bridge has a projected lifespan of 100 years. The bridge has been designed for double tracks and can support high-speed trains, ensuring modern railway standards. Now let's discuss the significance of the bridge. The bridge's advanced design has drawn comparisons to iconic bridges like the Golden Gate Bridge and Tower Bridge. It marks a technological leap over the old Pamban Bridge, built in 1914, which had been closed to rail traffic due to safety concerns. And now is the time for today's practice question. With reference to the new Pamban Bridge, consider the following statements. 1. It is India's first vertical lift railway sea bridge. 2. The bridge connects the mainland to Rameshwaram Island across the Park Straits. 3. It was built by Indian Railways at a cost of over 1,000 crore. Which of the statements given above are correct? Your options are A. 1 and 2 only, B. 1 and 3 only, C. 2 and 3 only, and D. 1, 2 and 3 only. Send us your answers in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.